The future of FPV, DJI Avata 3, is coming, and it's going to change everything. Imagine soaring through a canyon at breakneck speed, the wind rushing past as your drone captures every twist and turn with breathtaking clarity. The thrill, the precision, the pure adrenaline, this is the magic of FPV drone flying. And now, DJI is about to take that experience to an entirely new level. With the highly anticipated release of the DJI Avata 3 in mid-2025, the FPV community is on the edge of their seats. The Avata 2 was a game changer, making FPV flight more accessible while delivering top-tier video performance. But here's the burning question: how will the Avata 3 push the limits even further? Let's dive deep into the most exciting rumors and possibilities surrounding DJI's next big FPV leap. A major leap in imaging capabilities. One of the most anticipated upgrades is in the camera department. The Avata 2 set the bar high with its 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video. But what if we told you the Avata 3 could take things even further? Leaks suggest DJI might incorporate a larger 1-inch sensor, which would be a massive upgrade for content creators and FPV enthusiasts alike. Why does this matter? A larger sensor means better dynamic range, allowing the Avata 3 to capture more details in both highlights and shadows. Imagine flying at dawn or dusk, where lighting conditions change rapidly. This upgrade could mean crisper, more vibrant footage with significantly reduced noise. Additionally, there are whispers about robo-video recording. For filmmakers, this would be a dream come true. The ability to color grade footage in post-production opens up creative possibilities never before seen in a consumer FPV drone. If DJI brings this feature to life, the Avata 3 could be the perfect bridge between consumer FPV drones and professional-grade aerial cinematography. The stabilization breakthrough, hybrid gimbal and EIS. Let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in FPV filmmaking: smooth, stable footage. FPV drones are designed for dynamic, high-speed flights, but capturing cinematic shots while dodging obstacles and making sharp maneuvers is no easy feat. The Avata 2 relied on electronic image stabilization, EIS, to smooth out footage, but rumors suggest the Avata 3 might take a bold step forward with a hybrid stabilization system. Imagine DJI combining advanced EIS with a small mechanical gimbal. This could be a game changer for FPV pilots wanting smoother, more professional-looking footage. This upgrade would make the Avata 3 a must-have for action sports videographers, allowing them to capture thrilling sequences without sacrificing smoothness. Whether you're diving down skyscrapers, chasing fast-moving subjects, or flying through dense forests, the Avata 3 could deliver unparalleled stability. Battery life, that finally delivers. Battery life has always been a limitation in FPV flying. The Avata 2 pushed flight time to 23 minutes, which was decent but still left pilots wanting more. Now, rumors hint that the Avata 3 could stretch that even further, possibly close to 30 minutes per charge. This isn't just about lasting longer, it's about more creative freedom. Longer flight times mean fewer battery swaps, longer recording sessions, and greater flexibility when planning cinematic shots. DJI may achieve this by improving battery efficiency, optimizing aerodynamics, and refining power management systems. If true, the Avata 3 would stand out as one of the longest-lasting FPV drones in its category, making it a serious contender for both hobbyists and professionals. A new era of obstacle avoidance. Flying FPV is an art, but it also comes with risks, especially when navigating tight spaces. The Avata 2 introduced some obstacle detection, but it was still limited. Now, there's speculation that the Avata 3 might come equipped with full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors. Imagine flying confidently through abandoned buildings, dense forests, or tight gaps, without the fear of unexpected crashes. For beginners, this would be a massive leap forward, making FPV flying more approachable than ever before. For professionals, enhanced obstacle sensing means the ability to pull off more complex maneuvers with greater confidence. Whether you're filming extreme sports or capturing fast-paced action shots, this upgrade could redefine what's possible in FPV drone cinematography. The next-gen 04 transmission system. Reliable video transmission is everything in FPV flying. DJI's O3 Plus system was already impressive, offering low-latency high resolution feeds. But now there's talk that DJI might debut its next-generation O4 transmission system with the Avata 3. This could mean longer range, better penetration in dense environments, and even lower latency. If true, this upgrade would make long-range FPV flights more stable and immersive than ever before. Speed, agility, and performance enhancements. Speed and agility define FPV drones, and DJI is expected to fine-tune the Avata 3's motors for faster acceleration, sharper handling, and better energy efficiency. For freestyle pilots, this could mean cleaner, crisper tricks. For racers, it could mean better response times and higher top speeds. And for cinematic flyers, smoother, more predictable flight paths. Aerodynamic refinements might also contribute to quieter operation and better power efficiency, helping the Avata 3 perform exceptionally in diverse environments. More accessible FPV for everyone. DJI has been pushing to make FPV flying more accessible. Traditional FPV controls can be intimidating, but motion controllers and smart flight modes have helped bridge the gap for new pilots. The Avata 3 could introduce AI-driven flight modes, improve subject tracking, and enhanced autopilot features, making FPV flying easier than ever. Updates to the DJI RC Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3 could also bring a more immersive and intuitive user experience. Pricing and final thoughts. Is it worth the wait? With the Avata 2 currently priced at $1,199, the Avata 3 is expected to land somewhere between $1,299, $1,399. Given the rumored camera upgrades, stabilization improvements, and longer battery life, this price increase could be well worth it for those seeking cutting-edge FPV technology. For those who need a drone now, the Avata 2 remains an excellent choice. But for those who want the best of the best, waiting for the Avata 3 could be a game-changing decision. So what do you think? Will the Avata 3 redefine FPV flying? Which feature excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like this post if you're excited for the Avata 3. Share this with your fellow FPV pilots. Subscribe for the latest drone news, reviews, and links. Stay tuned. 2025 is shaping up to be the biggest year yet for FPV drone technology.